2014 Honda Accord 4-cylinder. Still got the stock catalytic converter. Did a muffler resonator delete. And a muffler delete into a black tip. I'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Tell us what you guys think. There it is. There's the muffler delete. That's where the resonator was. We cut it out and put a straight pipe in its place. Still got all the stock catalytic converters, one on the manifold, one on the bottom. 2014 Honda Accord. Sounds really good. Muffler and resonator delete. That's the muffler, and the resonator's over there. That's the muffler.